guys, I'm back. I wanted to do a quick video on showing my cousin how to emboss really quickly. She's got stuff to emboss, but she doesn't know how to do it. So I'm just going to take a dryer sheet. You can use baby powder, cornstarch, whatever you happen to have. And I'm just going to go ahead and wipe this off. Just going to use an envelope to stamp onto a couple of different ways. Now the first way is to emboss a chipboard piece. So you're going to take embossing clear ink, which you can refill with glycerin, by the way. You do not have to buy a ring inker for that. Okay, and you're going to sprinkle your embossing powder over the top. Now mine's got glitter in it, so that's why mine might look a little bit different. I'm going to grab a pair of tweezers. I'm going to put the rest of it back into the jar. Simply to keep it from blowing everywhere and making a mess. Okay. Now this is going to be loud for a second, but you should allow your embossing tool or heat tool to get warm a little bit first. Okay. Whoop. And you see how the color is changing to the brighter silver rather than dull. This is ultra thick embossing powder, so it takes longer than normal embossing powder. Normal embossing powder works a lot faster than that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and heat that just a little bit more. And there we go. That one is all done. Now, like I said, this is ultra thick embossing powder, so it does, it heats up a lot slower than normal embossing powder. I don't really recommend doing this over a craft mat either, because you will warp it. So I'm just using the dryer sheet to get off any excess glitter. Now, I'm going to use the clear embossing powder with a stamp over here. Okay. And I'm going to use Distress ink over on the other side, because you can emboss with both. Well, that may not have given a good impression, but it's fine. We gotta do this relatively quickly before it dries. Working on card, you're gonna get it in places that you don't want it sometimes. Not at all to worry. Let me clean that up real quick. Take my dryer sheet. And now you can take the dryer sheet, kind of go over the large areas to get rid of what you don't want it to stamp. You can also take a brush. Get rid of any embossing powder. And there you go. That is how you emboss. You just want it to get flat. But yeah, just a quick video to show her how to emboss a few ways. You know, working single cardstock or paper or other materials that you might emboss with. Now, if you want a tutorial on how to emboss with the embossing machine, then I will do that, because that's a different type of embossing. So, but anyway, yeah, that is for my cousin Delana, who lives in Arkansas. Who also does junk journals and crafts and makes cards and things like that. So, I really need a new craft mat. This thing is so old. I've had it for years. This thing is so old that the grids are starting to come off. The other side's got paint all over it. So yeah. But anyway, so yeah. So when we come back, we'll do some stuff with envelopes. And you can use any tweezers, like the craft tweezers or whatever. These are actually for eyelashes. I just picked them up at the dollar store because they were sturdy. So that's the only reason I use those, and I use them for embossing. I don't use them for anything else. But anyway, oh, I didn't realize that you guys were crooked this whole time. Sorry about that. But anyway, yeah. So, yeah, just a quick video. So, anyway, when we come back, we'll be working on envelopes. So, I will see you guys back here really soon. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.